As we are heading closer to the result day, that is 4th June, the curiosity of who will get the prime ministerial position if India bloc wins by a majority is getting intense. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to Mood Tiranga. Delhi Chief Minister and AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has distanced himself from the speculation of him becoming the Prime Minister if the India bloc wins the Lok Sabha elections. Kejriwal has clarified that he has no intentions of becoming the Prime Minister. Arvind Kejriwal has put out that no discussion of the Prime Ministerial phase has taken place yet. Kejriwal further clarified that the India bloc would take a decision on the India bloc's Prime Ministerial phase only after the results. Kejriwal also sidestepped the questions about Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Ministerial candidate of the India bloc. Kejriwal termed this question as a theoretical question. While talking about his own party, AAP, Arvind Kejriwal said that they are a small party contesting only 22 seats in the elections. This comment of Arvind Kejriwal also indicates that Kejriwal's chances of being Prime Minister are remote if India bloc wins. Kejriwal reiterated that his only aim now is to save the nation from dictatorship. He alleged that the opposition will be jailed if the BJP comes back to power. Well, this is not the first time when Arvind Kejriwal has answered the question on India bloc's prime ministerial phase. Few days ago, when at a press conference, Kejriwal was asked if he is running to become the Prime Minister if the India bloc wins. Then he had stately said, "No, I am not." When we talk about Rahul Gandhi, then last month he had said the same thing as Kejriwal. Rahul Gandhi had said that the Prime Ministerial phase of the India bloc would be chosen after the election results. Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge had offered some sort of similar answer a few months back. Kharge had said that they are against projecting any one individual into a head-to-head against Prime Minister Modi. Now that the India bloc does not have a prime ministerial phase yet, the BJP is using it against the alliance. Amit Shah during a campaign had ripped into the opposition for not declaring their PM candidate. Shah had said that the India bloc does not have a PM candidate because they don't have a leader of that caliber. Shah took a jibe at the opposition bloc and said that they don't have a PM phase and have decided to rotate the PM's chair among themselves, and that the India Alliance wants 5 Prime Ministers in 5 years. Now this is the whole picture on India bloc's Prime Ministerial phase. They have not yet declared their Prime Minister phase. They are waiting for the election results. Once it is out, the discussion over it would take place. Meanwhile, ruling BJP is using this point to attack the India Alliance. Still, India Alliance is going by their own plans and strategies. Question for our audience: who do you think should become the Prime Minister if the India Alliance wins the 2024 elections? Do let us know in the comment below. Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching HW News English for all the updates on elections. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.